You saw the woodpecker? Oh my god, it's phenomenal. What is he doing there? Is he resting, nesting, cutting? He's restless. Wow. You hear this voice? I think this is the woodpecker's voice too. There's another one around. Another one came. It's even bigger. Wow. Two of them. I love this interaction. Wow. These two birds are really enjoying. Very rare to find such a view in nature where birds are in control in their environment. These two birds are in focus. This is phenomenal. Wow, one went away and the only one is left here. He's trying to escape too. Still we have a good view of this bird. I'm going to really keep recording until I have this view. It's not common to find them. And birds are singing all around in this area. This is actually a bird sanctuary. We have an eagle here, several other varieties of birds. And they come like in moments. They are there, a lot of activity, and then there is nothing. Like this moment. You hear this voice? Little tuck tuck. This is from woodpecker, although I don't see him anymore. But this is his activity sound. I think we have to stop recording. We lost the track of this bird.